Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you guys all back to my channel, and today I am doing a comparison video from Geek versus the Loot Crate Harry Potter subscription boxes. Real quick, if you guys haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification button, since YouTube is still set on making sure that you can actually watch the videos of the people that you like. But yeah, so ironically this month, my Geek Gear box came on time. As you guys know, Geek Gear is located in the UK, so I don't always get, they don't always come in at the same time, I guess. Like, I'll get, like, you should have seen my April video for Geek Gear already, which should be posted before this one, but May came in the same day as Loot Crate. Now, you know, let's just do a comparison. So it's May. These are the size difference. I already opened both boxes, but that's the size difference. So first we're going to do the Loot Crate box, since that's the one that comes every other month. Yeah, it comes every other month. So first of all, it's a small box again. The last time there was a small box, y'all remember that box was trash. So I'm not happy about this, especially since this is supposed to be the House Pride box. So I was really expecting like awesome things. So yeah, by the way, just so we know, I am Ravenclaw. So first we're going to do the t-shirt. Good God. So first they gave me the wrong size t-shirt. I am not a 3XL. That's just freaking fantastic. Like, this is not, they gave me the wrong size shirt. It is basically a nightgown. Like, this shirt is humongous. They gave me the wrong shirt. Didn't even notice that. This is not going to the right start. I have to write Loot Crate because they gave me the wrong size and I didn't ask for this. But it does say Ravenclaw, which this is the sad thing. Like, I've wanted a basic Ravenclaw t-shirt like this for a minute. And the fact that they gave me the wrong size on such a major epic level is just tragic. I'll see what they can do about fixing my size. So the next thing that I got are crew socks. It is, so I guess, yeah, one of them is this is specifically Ravenclaw sock, and then the other is got the Hogwarts crest on it. I mean, I don't mind socks. It's just, I feel like I could buy these in Target. Let's see, where were these bought from? BioWorld? The next thing that I got is a necklace. This is a pocket watch. Okay, so it's a ginormous pocket watch necklace. See if the camera will focus. Yeah, so that's what it looks like on the inside. That's what it looks like on the outside. It's a very heavy necklace. I'm actually going to put this back in the plastic just because I feel like I would only wear this if I'm dressing up, because I really want a time turner, but you know, whatever. So yeah, a pocket watch, Ravenclaw. I'm assuming everybody's got one. The next thing that we got is a Ravenclaw patch. And I'm not feeling it, to be very honest with y'all. Like, I'm not feeling this one at all. It kind of looks rushed and not really well put together. Actually, it looks much better on camera than it does in person. Like, the spaces that you see in the wings and the feathers looks terrible in person, but it looks decent on camera. So that was it, because the next thing is the pen, and y'all know the pen is normally the last thing. So, like, that was 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 4 items. 4 items plus the pen. Okay, the pens is a lightning bolt enamel pen, and it says, neither can live while the other survives. It's backwards, so, see camera, there we go. So that's what that looks like. I mean, actually, this is kind of cool, just because it's not the typical lightning bolt pen. So that is actually kind of cool. But guys, that was it for the Loot Crate box. So yeah, that was it. Y'all, get this. They considered this 2 separate items. Mind you, they are obviously sold together. But according to Loot Crate, it's 2 separate items of goodies. Granted, they're both still crew socks. They legit counted it as 2 separate items. I'm so disappointed in this box. Ugh. Okay, I'm saving all thoughts till the end. So let's do Geek Gear. So the first thing out of the Geek Gear box, I just want to check the sizing. Extra large, like I like it. It is just, oh, it's head wedge. That's pretty. That is gorgeous. Okay, so there's that, that's cool. So there's another wand in this one. Wow. Okay, so this is the wand. I'll try to put it closer so you guys can see it. But it's got very intricate details on it. It kind of almost looks like petals. Almost. It's almost like petals. And it's got a nice weight to it on the bottom. I got another wand. Okay. I just want to point out I've never gotten a wand out of the Loot Crate box. And I've gotten 3 wands. Yeah, because in the last Geek Gear box, I got a wand as well. So I don't know what this is. Also, the packaging this time is very interesting. Okay, so I think it's a Death Eater scarf. It is. It's a Death Eater scarf. That's cool. So I already have a t-shirt with the Death Eaters with this exact design. So now I have a scarf. Like, I'm really about to do the most with this scarf. That's cool. Okay, so another scarf. So the next thing that I got is this Ravenclaw lanyard, which I'm for that. Okay. It has a little Ravenclaw crest, and then it says that it has collectible stickers inside. Oh, no, it's just one sticker. It's just a Ravenclaw sticker. Apparently it's a Harry Potter exclusive thing. But yeah, that's my lanyard. So the next thing is the recipes that it comes with, and this is for cauldron cupcakes, which I actually really want to try to make. I need a reason to make it. And there's a drink one. It's the spicy love potion. Bruh, what? Okay, cool. It makes a syrup. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I gotta get something to put these recipe books in. Alright, so I got an exclusive Luna, which you guys know. She is my favorite Harry Potter character, hands down. Like, above Hermione and everything. Plus, she's a Ravenclaw, so how cute is that? Okay, so I forgot to show the fact that I also got a cushion cover that is just like the scarf. I think I pulled it out to get the sizing for it, but it's literally the same thing as this. It's just a cushion cover. All right. Oh no, it doesn't say that it's anybody's wand. It just says that it's a Geek Gear exclusive wand. That's cool. Okay, I'll take it. Next month's hint is this, which I'm guessing Patronus's, which is pretty cool. So yeah. So, oh, I didn't tell you what the loot box was for next one. Okay, so let's compare. The May box for Loot Crate was the Hogwarts House Pride, and it only had, according to this, it had 6 items. According to me, it did not. Because crew socks, you can't give me 2 different crew socks and consider it items. So I actually had 5 items. The t-shirt was extremely too big. They messed up on the sizing, which I can honestly say this is the first time they've messed up on sizing, because as you can see, my Geek Gear shirt was extra large, and they gave me a 3XL in that. So I don't know if they just ran out of stuff and then still tried to make it work or what, but I guess you can say that since all these items are exclusively for this crate, so it's supposed to be decent. But I'm still not impressed with this House Pride box. I was kind of let down. I've seen a lot of other House Pride boxes over the years for people, and I just wasn't happy with it. Plus, I don't know how much they claimed all of this was worth, but who knows. I definitely liked, actually, yeah, I like Geek gear better, honestly. I know that not all of this stuff is like Harry Potter exclusive, but I like getting wands. I feel like I get a wand almost every time I do a video for them nowadays. I actually am going to continue them for the rest of the year just because, like, why not? But that was a comparison of the two boxes. Coincidentally, they both came in on the same day, so I figured this was a perfect video to do a comparison. So if you're trying to decide which box you like more, this is pretty much the kind of boxes that we get from both of them. Like, I've been very disappointed with Loot Crate. I've gotten boxes where I really liked it, but for the most part with Loot Crate, I've been disappointed over and over and over again. And when you write to them or when you voice concern, they just act like they don't care. Like, they're like, oh, well, we're sorry, but like, you still got the same value. Like, I will never get over that wand book that they claimed was an exclusive, and it was a bold-faced lie because it's in box lunch right now. All right, guys, that was it. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Until the next time, guys, see you later. Also, don't forget, there's some videos. I know my face could be in there too, but video. Bye, guys.